Today's AI can draw pictures, write text, and predict actions. But have you noticed? It still struggles with true understanding and planning. Take a cleaning robot. It sees a spilled water bottle and avoids the puddle. Path planning works. But it won't think the water might reach the power outlet. That's dangerous. It won't pause and ask, should I alert my owner instead of cleaning? Not because it didn't see it, but because it never thought about it. Why? Because it doesn't have a world running inside its head. That's our key point today. Beyond multimodality lies the world model. A world model isn't just a knowledge base or a rule set. It's a cognitive engine inside AI, one that turns the world into states, causes, and goals, and uses internal simulations to reason and plan. To build that, we need three things. First, a unified structure. Images, language, and actions must map to one format, like event chains or causal graphs, not just scattered tokens. Second, an internal simulation engine. The AI should mentally simulate, if I do this, what happens next? Third, goal-driven planning. It must choose actions by itself based on outcomes, not just follow prompts. But current multimodal AIs aren't there yet. Image to text, video Q&A, even motion control, they mostly do perception and reaction. They can recognize and generate, but they don't ask. What happens next? Or is that the best path? We think they're thinking, but really we're just guiding them to look like they're thinking. Take chain of thought. It mimics reasoning in language, but it doesn't simulate changes in the world. So they can see and they can speak, but they can't think through. That's what a missing world model looks like. So what would a real world model AI look like? One, an event-level abstractor to convert multimodal input into structured events or states. Two, a causality-driven simulator, not just generating words, but simulating consequences. Three, a goal-driven planner, making decisions based on context, not instructions. Only with these can AI move from being a tool that responds to one that thinks, predicts, and decides. Because world models aren't about seeing more or saying better, they're about building an inner world to think within. Multimodal AI solves seeing and saying. World models solve, after seeing, what now? But here's the big question. Once AI can plan and simulate, can we still control what it generates? How fine-grained can multimodal generation get? What's controllable and what's fundamentally not? Let's explore the limits of control in the next episode. See you then.